Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you what I believe are the best hosting options for anyone who wishes to start a WordPress blog. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So after posting my last video where I show that I was able to generate over 100,000 visitors in a single day to one of my blogs, many of you have asked me, what type of hosting do you use? What are the best hosting options for someone who is brand new and is just looking to start a WordPress blog? So what I'm going to share with you is from my experience, my opinion on the best options out there right now. I'm also going to share with you what I personally use when I start a brand new blog. And hopefully this video gives you more ideas on where to start if you're looking to start a brand new blog. I'm also going to show you some of the advanced things that you can do if you have a blog that gets thousands of visitors every single day. Like some of my blogs, I actually get over 1 million visitors per month. In fact, you can go and watch this video that shows you exactly how I do it. But if you're just brand new and you're looking to start a regular blog where you can grow over time and get more traffic, then this is the video that you need to watch. Now in the beginning, if you're just getting started, if you don't have a lot of visitors, a simple hosting service, which I'm going to show you in this video, might be just good enough. As you get more traffic, you can upgrade to different services and you can apply different tools to help you handle massive amounts of traffic. So with that said, let's jump into my computer. So what I'm going to do is just share with you some of the options that you have right now. If you're brand new, if you're a beginner and you're looking to start a WordPress blog, some of the best options out there for hosting, specifically for WordPress. Now, I have used all three of the options that I'm going to show you in this video, mainly because I've been creating blogs for years now. So the first service that I have for you is GoDaddy. GoDaddy has something called Manage WordPress. It's a plan. As you can see, the basic plan is $6.79 per month, and they have a sale going on right now. And you get one website, 10 gigabytes, 25,000 monthly visitors, and a free domain with the annual plan. That means you get a free domain if you actually buy the annual plan of the basic package. And typically it's about $8.99 per month, as you can see. That's the average price, and that was the first service that I really tried, GoDaddy, mainly because it was fairly simple to use and I didn't have a lot of experience setting up blogs. When you're brand new, you just try to find some tutorials on YouTube to figure out how to get WordPress set up, and GoDaddy was one of my first experiences to set up a WordPress blog. Now as you actually grow, you can get more visitors. You can see 100,000 visitors for $12.99 per month, 400,000 visitors for $15.99. But that's not really the case, because it just depends on how many posts you have, how many images are you using on your posts, and how many plugins you have installed. So all those factors can definitely affect the speed of your website. So even though they have plans that saying that you're gonna get 100,000 visitors per month, that really doesn't mean that your website is gonna be fast, because it all depends on all the plugins and all the things that you might have on your website. If you have a photo gallery, if you have videos that are being hosted on your website, that can also slow down your website. So it's really not based on how many visitors you're getting, but just how complex your blog might be. Another company that I really tried for a while was HostGator, and they have a WordPress plan. As you can see, they have the hatchling plan, which is 60% off. It's an offer that they have going on right now. One-click install, and that was one of the main things that I was looking for, which is you log into the panel and you have a WordPress button and you click on it and you just go through a series of steps and you have your WordPress set up in less than 5 minutes. So that's about $2.75 per month. Typically it's a little bit more than that, but apparently they have some kind of offer going on. So this is the one that I've been using for the past 2.5 years, Bluehost. Bluehost has a plan which is $3.95 per month. You get a free domain, you get a free SSL included. So that means you get the little HTTPS which means your website is a secure website. You also get a one-click WordPress install. So this is what I've been using for the past 2 years with every single new blog that I launch, mainly because it allows you to get a significant amount of traffic and your speeds really don't get affected a lot. They also have some great support. So whenever I have issues in the beginning, I didn't know anything about, how to work the cPanel and how to do things on WordPress. So I typically would reach out to the live chat that they have, and they would actually try to help me. So I can vouch that Bluehost is a good service, not only for what they're providing you for the price, but also because they have some good support if you need help. So if you're brand new, those are your three options, and it just depends on your budget. Like I said, I launch on Bluehost for new blogs, and then I move on to bigger services depending on if I'm getting more traffic to those blogs. So for example, Amazon, it's another service that whenever you start getting a lot of traffic, we're talking about 100,000 visitors in a single day, then this might be a good option for you because it can handle pretty much all the traffic that you can send. I wouldn't actually recommend for you to start a brand new blog using the Amazon services because the thing is, you might be overpaying if you're not getting a lot of traffic. So it is best to just, and it's a little bit more advanced if you don't have someone who knows how to work on the Amazon service, then you might not know how to handle or optimize your servers properly. So I wouldn't actually recommend on this if you have a brand new blog that doesn't get a lot of traffic. If you're just starting a niche blog where you're just going to post a few things per day or per week, and you're expecting 10,000 visitors a month or perhaps 50,000 visitors a month, you don't need Amazon Web Services for this. It might be enough to just do Bluehost, and you can also upgrade to some of the other plans. They have plans of $99 per month, which can typically handle lots of people on your website live without any issues. Now, the other service that I have installed on two of my blogs right now, it's Cloudflare. This is a service that allows you to basically minimize the risk of your website being attacked. It handles many security aspects of your website, and it's like a backup server in case something happens. They have some really nice features inside, but like I said, their plan starts between $200 up to $1,000 per month. So this is something definitely that you need to do if you get a lot of traffic. If you don't get a lot of traffic, then again, this doesn't actually apply to you. But this is how I'm able to handle 100,000 visitors in a single day. I get over 1 million visitors per month in a single blog. Another blog gets close to 1 million visitors a month. So what I like to do is I jump around between Bluehost for the most advanced plans, which could be about $200 per month, a dedicated server, meaning that I'm able to handle 500,000 visitors per month just on Bluehost. So when I surpass that amount, I typically move on to something like Amazon Web Services, and I apply many of the security features offered by Cloudflare. So this is how you can set up an advanced hosting service if you're able to generate lots of traffic. If you're brand new, HostGator will work just fine. GoDaddy will work just fine. Bluehost would just work fine as well. It just depends on your budget, on what your skill level in terms of setting this whole thing is. Because if you want just one-click WordPress install, GoDaddy offers this feature, as well as HostGator and as well as Bluehost. So it's just depending on what are you looking for in terms of support, what are you looking for in terms of cost. So in my opinion, the best one is Bluehost, hands down. I am not knocking HostGator or GoDaddy. They have great services as well, but in terms of being the support that they provide, in terms of the cost and what you get for the price that you're paying, I think Bluehost is a much better option. Okay, so now that you know the options, it's really up to you. It's truly depending on what type of service do you need, how much of a budget you actually have and you want to invest into your blog. If you expect to handle large amounts of traffic, I wouldn't actually recommend getting started with something like GoDaddy or something like that, because you might need to scale really fast. Now I'm going to post some links in the description if you want to check them out. So I really do hope that this video was helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I post videos like this every single week with the intention of helping you guys make more money online and start a business, start a blog, whatever it is that you're looking for. Most likely you will find it in this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.